drop it. Drop it. There you go. So she's coming up a little bit short on the left side. It's going to tell me this sacroiliac joint on the left is a little bit locked up, which we already, figured out. Very good. Okay, so arms out by your side for me, please. Get the hair out of the way here. All right, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out, and just press down with you and give it a little push. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Very good. Towards it. And we're going to go right on top, okay? A little bit closer down the bottom. All right, so I'm going to hold you here. My legs are going to go on top of yours. You're just going to feel me rolling you towards me, okay? So we're going to adjust the lower back here. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. A little closer to me. So I'm going to roll you back here, okay? Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. And point your toes down for me, please. There you go. How did that feel?
Good.
Awesome. Get a good release on that?
Yeah.
Cool. Very good. Same thing here, okay? Very nice. So then right into my hand. Relax that shoulder, drop it down. And just relax it. Drop it. Very good. Same thing here, okay? Relax that shoulder. And just drop it, drop it. Very good. That was loud, huh? How'd that feel?
Good.
Good, awesome.